And the winter session then, remember, is coming to an end on the 23rd of December. But the opposition here continues to stall the House proceedings on a number of issues. So while a united opposition demands for the Prime Minister's statement over the faith politics issue, the question then is, will the government relent?
Key bills pending, but there is no end to the deadlock in the parliament. A united opposition has left no stone unturned to corner the ruling party.
Uncertainty continues to loom over the insurance bill, with the united opposition stalling the proceedings of the upper house and wanting the Prime Minister to be present when religious conversions is debated, and also seeking an explanation from the Prime Minister on BJP MPs making inflammatory statements in spite of a resolution being passed on the same a few days ago.
The government is under fire from all sides. Day after day, protests intensifying.
उन्होंने देश के अंदर बड़े प्रांतों में एक ऐसा कार्यक्रम बनाया है धर्म परिवर्तन का, घर वापसी का, जिससे ये देश विस्फोटक स्थिति हमारे समाज में हो गई है।
पूरे तरफ से देश में हाहाकार मचा हुआ, पूरी तरह से बेचैनी देश में फैली हुई है। ये देश में ये सदन चलते रहे, शांति रहे, आप कहे बहस करते रहो, और बहस करने के बाद बाहर में तमाम तरह की संविधान और मर्यादा के खिलाफ बात होते रहे। ये कैसे हो सकता है? ये कैसे हो सकता है?
The opposition refusing to budge, demanding the Prime Minister to respond.
The assurance was given by Prime Minister to this House that has been violated. Only the Prime Minister should come and explain that why his words have not been honored.
And all efforts by the government have failed.
We want the parliament to function, we want the business to be transacted, we want the people's welfare to be given importance rather than politics.
All eyes now if the Prime Minister will step in. With the winter session of Parliament ending on December 23rd, will the government be successful in passing the key bills? Bureau Report, Times Now.